How to apply on Ethiojobs. Let's begin your job hunt. Open your web browser and go to www.ethiojobs.net. Once the page loads, click Login and enter your account details. Now you're ready to find the right job for you. At the top of the page, click Find Jobs. Here, you can filter your search by job category, location, or career level. This helps you focus only on jobs that match your interests. When you find a job you like and matches your work experience, click the green Apply Now at the top right of the job page. Since you're already logged in, your email address will be filled in automatically. Click Next to continue. You now have two ways to apply. The easiest and recommended option is Apply with Ethiojobs Resume. This option is fast and doesn't require uploading new files. Click Get Started. Your details will appear based on your profile. If anything is missing, complete it now. Click Preview CV to see how your CV looks. If everything looks good, click Generate CV, then click Apply to submit your application. Congratulations! Your application has been successfully submitted. Some job posts may require additional documents, such as certificates or cover letters. In this case, choose the first option. Upload a resume to apply. Before applying, merge all required documents into one PDF file. Click Apply Now, then select the option to upload a new file. Browse your computer, select your document, and click Upload. You can save the CV for future applications. Then click Submit. Your application is now complete. After applying, you'll see your application status change to Applied. To view all your applications, go to your profile and click My Applications. If you change your mind about a job, you can withdraw your application at any time. Simply click Withdraw Application and confirm. When viewing your profile, look to the right side of the page. You'll see recommended jobs based on your profile. Click any job to view the full description. If it matches your experience, you can apply right away or save it for later. To make sure you never miss an opportunity, let's set up job alerts. Click Job Alerts and choose to receive email notifications. Tell us what you're looking for, your profession, career level, years of experience, skills, and preferred employment type. Then click Save. You're all set. You'll now receive personalized job alerts directly to your email. Your next big opportunity is just a click away. Good luck!